Okay, guys, managed to say chilling now. Get me.
Imagine if he went home, I swear to God, I'm fighting him.
Have you seen anyone holding a massive camera? No, none. Alright, cool, thank you.
Hide and seek in Ikea.
You guys follow it fast. You know we only have a minute and a half, so I don't know why we're
Word.
Oh my gosh, he's here.
I knew he
Oh my gosh, he's here.
3:30 in the morning, shawty hit me, I said she won't roll with me. She won't stay close to me, baby girl, stay where you supposed to be. I'm quipping in the back, the shawty tryna take a shot of me.
Hey, they move impressed. They see me elevate their stress. I be vibing with the cheese, no rest. Efforts bob to the right and left, making comebacks in my biggest flex. That's what they seem to forget. When I go clear, there be regret for sleeping when I set up there. Yeah, come true with the Air Force bar. Come true with the Air Force bar. How could you get a brand new pair and not the Air Force bar? Come true with the Air Force bar. Come true with the Air Force bar. How could you get a brand new pair and not the Air Force?
Cool. Hide and seek in Ikea right now.
Smile!
Bro, go, we're playing hide and seek. Only top floor.
Ooh.
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, cool guys, my camera died, but we are beginning the hide and seek.
Where am I gonna hide? Oh, this is hard.
Say hi, Jake. Hello.
Oh, this is about to be too fun. They're trying to kick us out, bro. Taking me in like fuck it.
Boom. See this t-shirt? If you like what I'm wearing, visit my guy's clothing brand at _RKC_official, yeah? Le Voyage out right now. Go cover t-shirt, go cover hoodie, or whatever. Yeah, upcoming clothing brand, make sure you man follow that. Bow.
Never exactly lived in the best of conditions, but that wasn't going to stop me from achieving my dreams. This is RKC.
Alright, yo, basically, doing hide and seek, yeah? Cool. So, pretty much man is hiding, doing my thing. I didn't know the perfect place to hide in Ikea, because I know this place from the inside out. You get it? Yeah, no one is finding me. I'm winning this.
So, I'm hiding like near the entrance. So hopefully they just walk past. So yeah, I pray I win because this is not cute. Guys, I'm telling you, I won't disappoint.
Free promo here.
For real, like I'm really trying to put you guys on as well. Like fuck. And make sure you purchase these tops when they come out there. No.
Give a video a like if you think Hugo should leave the villa.
Guys, get the top.
What does it say again? This says La Voyage.
And my one says, I've never read this, you know.
Outgrow the
box. La Voyage. Period.
Period.
Cool.
Alright guys, I'm back on the camera for a bit. So far I'm still finding my hiding spot. Fuck, I can't even remember where the place is that I normally used to hide. I need to move quiet though, car. In case the seekers are out there. Alright, cool. Cool. I'm having trouble trying to get to my usual hiding spot and I'm shook because if I get caught before I get to my hiding spot, I'm going to be pissed off. That's going to actually get me mad. So I need to somehow find a way to go to that spot that I normally go to through the normal way I normally go to get to that spot. I don't want to waste too much battery, so I will see you guys when I reach that spot.
We found a scooter. I don't know if I should take it. Zip lock onto it. That's trash. But there's nothing really to say in it. It's just goddamn. Keep trying to look for them, isn't it? Simple as. But it's what they tell about when you're recording from the boring bits is when you've actually just got to go look for them. Like, it doesn't get any more interesting until you actually see them and they start running.
Sorry, excuse me.
Seen so many sweet ones in the store. Whoops. That wasn't me. That was Jimmy. Jimmy's my guy. Jimmy's my guy.
Okay, I'm hiding somewhere. But I feel like you can still see me. Damn. I think I have to keep on running away. Some people just staring at me. Oh, I look like I don't even know what to do with my life. For people. If they find me, innit? But apart from that, it's cool. I need you right now. Don't let me down. I'm just walking around like every time.
I lost Bill and
no, I hid somewhere,
I
but
saw
then
Roy and him, and I did.
I hid near the entrance, yeah, and then I saw them walk by, but then there was too many people there, and then kids were coming up. Yeah. Guys.
Good evening, this is a customer announcement. The time is 8:50 and the store will close in 10 minutes. Will customers...
Oh, bye, it's closing in 10 minutes. Oh my gosh, let's go. Z, wherever you are, goodbye. Goodbye, Z. This store's closing in 10 minutes. He has 10 minutes to come and find us. Hey guys, I'm gonna start vlogging on my phone because like I wanna do my own vlog again. I don't wanna be in that one. Anyways, we're all here, like we've all been found. Who was the main seeker? We're not insulted on big YouTube. Where's Ruth? But anyways, like we've all been waiting and we've been trying to find this guy, but he's nowhere to be found. And it's annoying me because I'm very tired. Yes, we have to look. Like
the score is closing in 10 minutes and we still haven't found this guy. Oh my gosh, this is not serious.
ZBG, this is this goddamn guy's video. Come and find him. This is actually taking hours.
You ain't part of the gang, is grinding hard for $1 million. You ain't part of my crew, you used to hit, now you're switching up. This year is all about eating, grind focus, no sleeping. All my enemies will start seeing the levels that I've been reaching.
Anyways guys, they're getting a ton away for him because I can't even zoom in, but yeah, we can't find him, so they're gonna get a ton away for him. Because there's nowhere we're gonna wait any longer for him. Hell no.
Ocean, ocean, I be drowning in commotion.
Okay guys, managed to say chilling now. Give me. I'm gonna be so real. In 5 minutes, I'm literally just go to the restaurant where it's bait to find me because I'm bored of literally hiding. Oh, my fucking camera's about to die. Shit. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace.
Anyways, hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Decided to go because we cannot find them, but we can't find him still, and that's sad, but you know.
In my bag, know my feelings, and all these niggas ain't deep in that it's a rebirth season. I am to stay and leaving. Evil eye is real, they're hating the fact I'm winning and achieving. It's a rebirth season. I am to stay and leaving. Evil eye is real, they're hating the fact I'm winning and achieving.
Thank God, see wherever you are, bye. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Where is this guy? Imagine if he went home, I swear to God, I'm fighting him.
Have you seen anyone holding a massive camera? No, none. Alright, cool, thank you. What do you mean? What do you mean?
Because wherever he is, he seems comfortable. Like he actually seems comfortable wherever he is. So we might as well just leave him.
Call from the hunting, I met that bang. Rise and 10, I hate when I'm close and I'm hunting jams. So I keep around young man. Dot team tryna lift up, man. They keep like Jackie Chan, but be like Cardi, I don't want Nani. I just wanna lock this.
Yeah guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to get bored of hiding, so I'm literally gonna go to a very bait spot where everyone's gonna find me. I might even just charge my phone for a bit, cause my phone is low. I'll catch you guys when man is at the spot. I mean, I made myself too bait, but in a bit. Yo, you man saying? You telling me? Obviously, I'm just chilling here, waiting to get caught. I swear, imagine if everyone actually left, that would be so peak on me.
Oh my gosh, he's here.
I knew he
Oh my gosh, he's here. This dickhead.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm never doing a YouTube video with you. Don't ever call me. Don't ever call me. Don't ever call me. Never ever. You said everyone upstairs. Where the fuck were you?
We got you on
Tannoy.
Bruh.
Where were you?
I was literally up there.
No, you weren't. Why are you down here then?
And then I was looking for you. I was looking for you guys because I got bored. I got bored of hiding. I'm not.
We were searching everywhere.
Never again.
But anyways, guys, we found him. Actually, we didn't find him. We just met him at the exit. But you
I was looking
know,
for you guys. I just got bored.
yeah, he won because he was getting bored. That's
No, but I won. I basically won.
But anyways,
Yeah.
he won because he was hiding.
Yeah.
It's come to the end of this miraculous bang of a video, so if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, leave a comment anytime. Make sure you turn on the post notification so whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Make sure you follow up everybody who was in this video. Links to their social medias will be in the description below. Make sure you follow the kid on the socials, they're gonna be on the screen right now, gang. And yeah, make sure you subscribe to my second channel. Get that to 100 subscribers. We're currently halfway there still. I got a vlog that's coming there soon, so yeah, stay tuned for that. Cool. Join my Reddit page. I actually want to start doing Reddit videos soon, but yeah, join my Reddit page, links in the description. Post memes relating to the channel, all of that. And yeah, subscribe to London Made. Just subscribe to London Made, innit? And yeah, it's been your boy ZBG, and I'm out. Peace.
What I do, I said customer service. Can you hear the phone ring? Man, one dance when the business ring to the TT, made the hotline that bling.